Imagine transforming your skills and knowledge into an online workshop that reaches people worldwide. Whether you're a master of a craft, an expert in a field, or just passionate about sharing what you know, online workshops are your gateway to success. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to create, market, and launch your own online workshops. Let's get started. In the digital age, knowledge is a powerful commodity, and online workshops have emerged as one of the most effective ways to share expertise, connect with global audiences, and create a steady stream of income. From teaching photography techniques to offering career coaching, the possibilities are endless. Hosting online workshops not only allows you to showcase your skills, but also establishes you as a thought leader in your field. This comprehensive guide will show you how to craft, market, and deliver an engaging online workshop that stands out in a crowded marketplace. Step 10. Define your niche and target audience. The foundation of a successful online workshop lies in identifying your niche. Think about your unique skills, experiences, and passions. What do you know that others are eager to learn? Narrowing your focus to a specific subject not only makes your workshop more impactful, but also helps you stand out in a competitive market. Equally important is understanding your target audience. Who are you creating this workshop for? Are they beginners, intermediates, or advanced learners? Are they professionals seeking career growth or hobbyists looking to explore a new interest? For example, a cooking workshop can target busy professionals who want quick recipes or culinary enthusiasts eager to learn intricate techniques. The clearer your audience's profile, the better you can tailor your content to meet their needs. Step 9. Develop a compelling workshop topic. Once you've identified your niche and audience, the next step is to choose a compelling workshop topic. Your topic should address a specific need or solve a common problem. A broad topic like digital marketing might seem appealing, but a focused topic like how to launch a successful Facebook ad campaign in 7 days is more actionable and engaging. The title of your workshop is also critical. A catchy, benefit-driven title can make the difference between a sign-up and a pass. Titles like Mastering Public Speaking, From Nervous to Confident in 30 Days, or The Art of Hand Lettering. Create stunning designs in just 1 week, clearly convey value and outcomes. Step 8. Create a structured curriculum. A well-structured curriculum is essential for delivering a memorable and effective workshop. Begin by outlining the objectives. What should participants be able to do, know, or feel by the end of the session? Divide the content into sections or modules that flow logically. For example, if you're hosting a workshop on time management, you could structure it as follows. Understanding time management myths. Identifying time wasters. Tools and techniques to optimize your day. Building a personalized productivity plan. Interactive Q&A and wrap-up. Make room for interactive elements such as quizzes, hands-on activities, or live discussions to keep participants engaged. This keeps the energy high and helps reinforce learning. Step 7. Choose the right platform. The platform you use can make or break your workshop. Popular options for live workshops include Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet, while platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Kajabi are excellent for pre-recorded sessions. Look for platforms that offer features like screen sharing, breakout rooms, and live chat to facilitate interaction. Ensure your platform can handle the expected number of participants and is easy to navigate. Perform a test run to troubleshoot any technical issues and familiarize yourself with the platform's tools and functionalities. Step 6. Invest in quality equipment. First impressions matter, and high-quality audio and video can elevate your workshop experience. Invest in a good microphone for clear audio and a reliable camera for crisp visuals. If your workshop involves demonstrations, consider using multiple camera angles for a professional look. Lighting is equally important. Natural light works well, but if it's not available, invest in ring lights or softboxes to create a bright and inviting setup. A clean, uncluttered background also enhances your credibility and keeps the focus on you. Step 5. Market your workshop effectively. No matter how great your workshop is, it won't succeed without effective marketing. Leverage multiple channels to reach your audience, including social media, email newsletters, and online communities. Share engaging posts, short promotional videos, and testimonials from previous participants to build excitement. Offering limited time discounts or early bird pricing can create urgency and drive signups. Partnering with influencers or collaborators in your niche can also help expand your reach. The key is to clearly communicate the value of your workshop and how it will benefit your audience. Step 4. Set the right price. Pricing your workshop can be tricky. Charge too little, and you might undervalue your content. Charge too much, and you risk alienating potential participants. Research what similar workshops in your niche are charging and consider the unique value you're providing. Offering tiered pricing can attract a broader audience. For example, a basic ticket might grant access to the live workshop, while a premium ticket could include bonus resources, one-on-one consultations, or lifetime access to recorded sessions. Step 3. Engage participants during the workshop. Keeping participants engaged is crucial to the success of your workshop. Start by creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Use icebreakers or short introductions to help participants feel comfortable. Throughout the session, encourage questions, invite comments, and use tools like polls or quizzes to foster interaction. Real-life examples and personal anecdotes make your content more relatable and memorable. Tailor your delivery to the needs of your audience, adjusting the pace and depth of information as necessary. Step 2. Provide additional resources. Enhance your workshop's value by offering supplementary materials such as downloadable slides, worksheets, or cheat sheets. These resources not only reinforce learning, but also provide participants with something tangible to take away. Recording your workshop and sharing the replay is another valuable add-on, especially for participants who might want to revisit the content. Step 1. Collect feedback and improve. After the workshop, ask participants for feedback to understand what they loved and where you can improve. Use surveys or direct conversations to gather insights. Testimonials from satisfied attendees can be powerful tools for promoting future workshops. Take time to reflect on your own performance as well. Were there areas where you felt rushed or unprepared? Did participants seem engaged throughout? Use this feedback to refine your content, delivery, and overall approach. The transformative power of online workshops. Turning your knowledge into online workshops is a journey of growth, connection, and impact. It's not just about teaching. It's about inspiring others, building a community, and creating a legacy of shared learning. The potential is limitless, whether you're teaching a single skill or offering a comprehensive program. By following these steps, you can create workshops that resonate, inspire, and transform. So take that first step, share your expertise, and watch your online workshop journey flourish. Ready to turn your knowledge into income? Visit our website at wetransformacademyhub.com or check the link in the description for step-by-step guidance and exclusive resources. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building your online empire. See you in the next video.